Here is ate. Meet ate.
Inaano niya na ano daw.
Here is the locations po, a park. Ito yung part ng pool ng building. Ito po yung part ng Azure. This is Azure Residences in it's too good. Si ate nauna na. Ah, kailangan talaga may login pa ang mga mag-swimming. They can do swimming for free.
Your favorite song?
We will take a walk with Ryan. Yes.
Ikutin natin.
Yan.
Ikot nga namin ni Ma'am eh.
Yan. Oh. That is that is the place here. Look at, there's a lot. The ambience is so good, it's so fresh. The place is protected by the CCTV and is so safe. Yes. Oh, oh look, look, look. There's a lot of people swimming on the swimming pool. Look. Oh, the swimming pool is so good. Seems like a beach. Seems like a beach. Go, Ryan. There's a lot of people here. Mamaya na ate. Ikot muna tayo. Tignan niyo po yung ano, yung sand. Parang ka nasa beach talaga. White sand siya, no? Ang ganda. Tapos tingnan mo yung pool. Hindi po siya yung pool na swerving siya. Yung pool talaga, ginawa siyang parang dagat. Look at.
Siya, pero nilagyan nila ng sand.
Ng white sand.
Oo, white sand.
Look. One day, we will try experience the swimming pool here.
Swimming
But
pool
I think we can do swimming here without using swimming
pwede paggabi,
trunks.
matulog yung bata. Paalam tayo kay Ma'am.
Pero bawal naman yata mag-swimming na hindi naka-swimsuit. Kailangan
Yung ano, pwede dito yung...
short.
Hindi, yung cycling. Yung ganyan, short na puti. Cycling at saka yung blouse mo, yung parang sando lang siya. Pwede.
Okay.
Yung katulad niya, no?
Kaso wala akong dalang short. Meron ako yung ano, yung rash guard, pero leggings siya na rash guard.
Pwede
Meron akong
yung...
rash guard. Pero dinala ko kasi yung rash guard ko, yung leggings lang, hindi ko dinala yung up niya, yung top niya, hindi ko dinala.
Kita mo yung ano nila, Kung gusto mo, bumili ka dyan, may paninda.
Ay! Huwag na, uy.
Mahal.
May rash guard.
Video din si Sir. Ako nga,
May rash guard ako, kaya lang ang dala ko lang. Kaya lang ang dala ko lang na rash guard, yung ano, yung leggings niya. Pero yung tops niya hindi ko dala. O, tignan niyo po, sobrang daming tao.
Hindi ko nadala yung leggings na short. Ay, ano, cycling po.
Ay, si Kuya, oh.
Ay, Kuya.
Say hi. Say hi. That's so cute. Say hi. Oh, no.